Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the 502 bad gateway error in Google Chrome on your Android device. First, open the Google Chrome app on your phone. Then, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner and select Clear Browsing Data. Next, choose a time range. If you want a complete cleanup, select All Time. If the issue only started recently, you can choose a shorter time period instead. After selecting the time range, tap Clear Data to remove your browsing history, cache, and other stored data. Once that's done, return to your home screen and press and hold the Chrome app icon. Tap App Info, then go to Storage and Cache. From there, tap Clear Cache to remove temporary files that may be causing the problem. If the error still persists, you can also tap Clear Storage or Clear Data to reset the app completely. After completing these steps, restart your Android device. It's also a good idea to check your internet connection and make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. Once your phone has restarted, open Chrome again and see if the issue has been resolved. In most cases, these steps will fix the 502 bad gateway error and restore normal browsing functionality. If this tutorial helped you, be sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more useful Android and tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.